Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel of DCCPN. In this video we are going to explain the interfacing of the RTC, is a real-time clock by which we can read the date, time as well as the temperature of the room. Its product name is ZS 042. It has different pins. One pin is programmed. VCC is about 3.3 volt to 5 volt can be used. Serial data time, serial clock pins, serial data pins, square wave generator, 32 kHz is the frequency. At a time we are using only 3 pins: ground, VCC and serial data. It has its own power supply about 3 volt. So when the external power is off, it uses its own coin cell in order to keep on the time. So we can read the time and date from it, from this RTC real-time clock. It has DS3231. This was the DS3231 IC. Once power is applied to it, this LED will be this LED glows. So by the ART communication we can read data from this AC. This AC interfacing this AC. RTC, we are using the microcontroller. So microcontroller is reading the data from the RTC real-time clock through the serial communication, I2C communication, inter-integrated circuit communication is used. And the same way, and microcontroller is transmitting the data. Microcontroller is transmitting the data to the PC through this UART communication. So let's apply the power. So power has been applied to it. Now we can see LED is blinking. It means the USB port microcontroller is sending data to the PC and PC is receiving the data, and this data has been shown on the screen on the PC of the laptop. This one is the time, minute, hours, minutes and seconds. This is the time, 19 is date, months and year. Day 3rd is going on, 3rd day of the week. Temperature is about 29 degree centigrade temperature. So we are interfacing the microcontroller with the PC, and the same way we can see interfacing the RTC with the PC or the laptop. By using at a time, microcontroller is using 2 ports. One is the UART communication as well as the I2C communication. That the previous video I have shown the reading of the RTC on the LCD, but in this video we are interfacing the RTC with the laptop. The date and time is showing on the laptop. So how to connect these ones in order to use the RTC, the interfacing of RTC with microcontroller as well as laptop, you have to learn the codes or upload the codes on the microcontroller. This one the microcontroller is PIC16F 887 microcontroller, and this one is the RTC. You have to download this book of the programming with PIC microcontroller. This one book you can download this book freely from the website of the www.researchdesignlab.com. You can download this codes from the laptop. Then you have to write this code on the PC by using the software which name is the MPLAB XID version 4.04. Then these are the codes. You have to write code on the laptop, and then you have to program. So install these codes through the USB port by the PickIt 3. This one is the PickIt 3 programmer, and you have to download. You have to install this codes, program these codes through the PickIt 3 to the microcontroller. this one through the microcontroller by connecting the pins. You can visit our channel to how to connect the Picket 3 with the microcontroller. You have to visit our channel of DCCPN, and you have to subscribe our channel in order to understand the basics of the microcontrollers. So need a book and Picket 3 microcontroller and RTC. Then you have to connect the different wires you have to connect different wires to each other in order to receive as well as to send the data to the microcontroller. So the time and date is changing again and again. So let's stop the power supply. What happens? So power is off, the time is not changing. Why the time is not changing? Because the microcontroller is not receiving the data from the RTC and not sending to the PC, to the UART, to the USB communication. There now you can see LED is not blinking. It means data is not sending. But the time is going on the RTC, because RTC has its own power supply. So when you apply the power, now it is blinking. It means PC is receiving the data from the microcontroller to the UART communication. The time is changing. So thank you for watching our video.